Hey my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making Nigerian egg roll. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So my loves, I'll be boiling 6 eggs for this recipe, and I'll be sifting my flour to remove any form of impurity and to make it lighter and easier to work with, lighter in weight and easier to work with. Then I'll be adding some baking powder into my flour, and then I'll be adding just 1 nutmeg seed into my flour, and I'll be beating 2 eggs that I'll be adding later on, and then I'll be adding some sugar, and also I'll be adding some milk into my flour, and then I'll be mixing it to combine. Then I'll be adding some butter into my flour, and into my egg I'll be adding some vanilla essence and adding it to the butter. Then I'll mix everything, I'll mix to combine. Then I'll add some milk to warm water to start mixing proper. So this is me washing my hands to start mixing. So this is me mixing and combining everything together, and me adding the milk water gradually. You need to add your water gradually. Don't just add it anyhow, so they can get the perfect consistency. So you want your dough to be soft. I'm going for a soft consistency. That's a soft, stretchy consistency. So this is me adding extra flour because I felt that my dough was a little bit soft. So this is me adding extra flour and then mixing and turning and then checking for the consistency. And I'll be leaving this to sit for 18 minutes while I do other things. So while our butter is sitting for 18 minutes, we are going to be peeling our eggs and getting our eggs ready. While doing that, we're going to get a pot and we're going to be adding our oil. You know, this like we are going to be deep frying the egg roll, and at the same time, I want to bake some. So I will be deep frying some egg roll and I'll be baking some. So this is me adding my oil, and this is me buttering my pan for my, baked egg roll. So the batter has sat for 18 minutes. So I checked the consistency. I wasn't feeling too good about it. So I still added extra flour to it, and I put it on my working surface to knead it a little bit to get the perfect consistency that I wanted. So this me just kneading it and kneading it and kneading it, guys. Please don't knead it too much so that your batter will not be strong and your egg roll will not be strong. We need to get that soft. Remember, we are going for a soft consistency here. So this me kneading. At this point, our dough is ready. So this is me adding flour to my hands, and this is me flatten out the dough to add some eggs. Please watch me carefully as how I fold this. You can see as bringing it up, removing the excesses, bringing it up, twisting it, try as you are twisting it to be closing it up. Please, this is a very delicate step. You should watch me carefully while I do it. So this is me bringing it up. As I'm bringing it up, I'm closing it. And in case if it gets too sticky, you are free to add more flour. So this is me twisting it to close it off, and rub it together to get that smooth round egg roll shape. So I'll be doing it for the second time so that you can get the steps clearly. So this is me just repeating the steps while I'm showing you this. My oil is heating up and my oven is heating up. So after this, I'm going to get my buttered pan, and I'll be adding some of the egg roll to my buttered pan while I fry some. Please prepare your egg wash. Just beat 1 egg, add some salt and some milk, and then you rub it on top of your egg roll before adding it into your oven. So you just watch me do it. You can see as I'm adding some egg roll to the pan, my already buttered pan, and then I'll be using my egg wash to apply it, decorate it very well, then adding it to my preheated oven, and then I'll be frying, you guys. Do I added this egg roll? I had to run, guys. Please be careful when frying this, and you need to constantly stir this egg roll when frying it so that it will not, it will give that rounded shape, that rounded egg roll shape. Please keep stirring and keep turning so that all the sides will be fried evenly. So this is me checking up on my baked egg roll and going back to my fried egg roll. You guys, look at this egg roll. Just take a look at this egg roll. Oh my god. So this is me removing the egg roll because it's done. And yes, my baked egg roll is ready to, you guys, just take a look at this egg roll. Hope you'll be trying out this recipe, and I'll be seeing my next video. Bye.